Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make a call on Botim web using your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open Safari or any browser on your iPhone. Next, you need to go to Botim web page at web.botim.me or the official Botim web login link. Next, you need to log in. Open the Botim on your iPhone app. Tap on Settings, then select Botim web. You will see a QR code scanner in the app. Now, on your iPhone, scan the QR code shown on the Botim web page. Once scanned, your Botim account will sync with the web and you can access your chat and contacts. Next, go to the contact or chat section on the Botim web. Find the person you want to call. Click on the call icon next to their name. You can choose voicemail or video call depending on what you want. Your iPhone must have a good internet connection because Botim web uses your phone account to connect the call. So make sure your microphone and camera permission are allowed on the browser. During the call, you can mute your microphone, turn your camera on or off, and even switch between devices if needed. And that's it. Now you know how to make a voice or video call on Botim web using your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.